Remove the outer air cleaner cover. Remove and discard the air filter elements. Saturate the new pre-cleaner with clean engine oil. Massage the oil into the pre-cleaner for full coverage. Squeeze out all excess oil. Remaining spots of excess oil can be massaged out of the pre-cleaner. When finished, the pre-cleaner should be oily to the touch, but without being oversaturated and wet. Install pre-cleaner over the new air cleaner element. Remove excess debris from the air cleaner housing, then install the new air cleaner elements. Reinstall and secure the outer cover.